All right, you guys, we're going to look at setting up proportions for similar right triangles. I have kind of a memory tool to help you set up these proportions. So when you're looking at your similar triangles, if all your sides are outside the right triangle, then what we're going to do is we're going to use something we call boomerang to help us set up our proportion. So you're going to start by throwing the boomerang at the top here, across from the side that you're looking for. And what we do is we throw the boomerang all the way down, and then it goes across, then it comes back, and it stops at that altitude right there. So we're going to do, that's going to help us set up our proportion because we're going to add the 4 plus the 7 to get 11 over. And then after it goes down the 11 side, it goes to the x side. So it'll be 11 over x equals, and then it comes back over the x, and then back over the 7. So 11 over x equals x over 7. And that's how we would set up our proportion. To solve, you would just cross multiply. 11 times 7 is 77 equals, and then x times x is x squared. And then you would square root both sides to get the x by himself. So x equals the square root of 77. So that's called the boomerang. And you want to use that method whenever the x or the numbers are outside of the triangle. If the x was on this side over here, let me just call this one y, then I would actually throw the boomerang from point C. And we would set up our proportion 11 over y equals y over 4. So you always want to start with that boomerang on the opposite vertex from where you're wanting it to go. Okay. But let's take this next example and use a different method because now I've got letters on the inside of the right triangle. And so what we want to do here, this is called the over, up, down, over. I know it's kind of silly, but you want to start on one of your vertices. You want to go over, up, down, over. Okay? It's like someone is running across your triangle, jumping up, coming straight down, and then keep on running. So you're going to set up your proportion wherever you kind of follow the pencil to set up that proportion. So it'd be 5 over the h equals h over the 3. Then you cross multiply to solve. So h times h is h squared. 5 times 3 is 15. Square root, so h equals the square root of 15. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to post a PowerPoint of an animation of this same boomerang method and over, up, down, over method to help you guys figure that out. But if you have any questions, please let me know.